Hello, 09 James here. I went ahead and cut an inch flat stock, and I marked out how the hinge is going to be. It's just like the same hinges that I made on the smoker box, the firebox. So I went ahead and punched the hole where it's going to be drilled, and I'm going to drill the holes on this first. There's 6 of these, so 3 per hinge, so it pivots. And there's going to be two hinges on there. And I'm going to go ahead and utilize the punch set that I got. Finally break it in. Give these a go. And I have a cold roll rod somewhere that I just now misplaced. I just saw it here a little while ago. Yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and drill that first hole out. Then I'm going to use one of these to punch the rest. That way I know they're on the same spot where they're pivots and won't be out of place when I go to weld them on. Oh, right here. This is I believe it's it's a 1/4 inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and 1/4 inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill it out to that, and then use the punch set for the rest of the hinges. Then I'm also gonna use the Pittsburgh stamped steel set. That way I can put my maker name on it. ZNJ. Then it'll be like a 001. This is the 1/4 inch. The 1/4 inch size stamping dowels. So I got this from Harbor, so that's what, 63677. I'll give these a try and see how they work out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up at the drill, at the press, and that's probably all I'm gonna be doing today for that. Just drill the holes and trying out the punch set. I'm just on my break from work and gotta head back after a while. Alright, we get set up in the press. So I'll go ahead and drill the first hole and tap it out, or punch it out with the and this one right here, this is the 1/4 inch. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. Okay, that's how that one went. So that's how it uses that. Go ahead and drill the rest out, then I'll get back to you on this one. I got them all cut out or drilled out right now. So I'm going to go ahead and try this stamp here. Try it on one of the hinges. Well, it's kind of there. You can see a little bit. Not too much, but it's there. Yeah, I'll use these. Got it for $14.99, I believe. So they'll come in handy when I need them. So all I gotta do, I marked them already to where it needs to be cut, and I'll just go ahead and transfer the markings that I need to where the measurements where they're being cut again. So I'll be doing that after a while. I'll get the first one cut and show you how they're done. Then I'll get back to you on the other ones. I went ahead and marked it. I'm using the Markel Silver Streak welder's pencil that I ordered online, and I got them in a 12 piece set. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this one out. 45, and that's how the rest of them are going to be. Same as the other design I had, but on a shorter 1-inch scale. So that's the hinge, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process for all the other ones. So that'd be what I'm going to be doing later. I'll get back to you. There you go. I just got done cutting all these here, and my saw blade kind of missing some teeth, so it took a while. So go ahead and cut them out. As you can remember in the last video I did, that's how it's going to be set up. And I'll clean these up when I get off work and get them all buffed up. So that'll be it for this video here. That's the center punch I used and the new steel stamping set. So go ahead and call it a day for now, and I'll get back to you when I get the door, start working on the door and stuff. So still using that one. I'll probably use the Job Smart to weld the hinges onto the smoker. So plus I still got to cut the smoke chamber where it's going to go inside here and get everything prepped up. So I do what I can on my time off. So alright, see you guys, bye.